for good just makes me ache to be alive.